Okay, welcome back to the Motor Bomb Virginia channel. Today we are trying to figure out how to tether these GoPros in a manner that'll be helpful. Lost one of these the other day coming home. The whole mount, everything came off. I bought one that you had to bolt on with a wrench, you know, make sure they are tight, not coming off, because I was using one of those C-clamp ones. Let me show you. This is the exact setup pretty much. And this comes all the way around, so she holds on good. It ain't not going nowhere. On this mount, of course, I'm using a foot peg here, and it's much wider. So, yeah, it shook loose. Diamond loose. Anyway, let's get to the video here. Now, the thing is you can tether this. I can tether this right here. But after watching the Moto Giant and his sleeping roll or his swag, whatever you call it, fell off, went into his chain, and bound it all up, and he lost a leg, you know, and toes and whatever else. So I'm looking at this, and I'm trying to tether things. I'm going, okay, if this falls off, this is the weak link. I need to get a metal one. Never use plastic either. This is metal. This here joint should be hopefully okay. We'll find out. But that's why we're tethering. So if this came loose and the whole works, here's what would happen. We would swing, and we're still pretty close. If not, it's going to hit the tire and it's going to rip it off. So the tethering would probably do no good. Now, if the whole mount came off and swung down, it's possible that these metal pieces could get in here and somehow get whipped down and around, ruin my riding experience. So I'm just not happy with it. I think I'm not even going to use this over here and on this side. I'm pretty confident that this would stay. I mean, this is bolted down, so really I could just tether everything right here. If this came off, I'm in some sorry shape anyway, so I think that's probably what I'll do. If not, my other plan was to just stick it up here on the up on the mountain, or up on the old bucket here. So they're all decisions, but it'd be nice to have it here when I want it anyway. I might just make one for both. I don't know. But we can't use this here. So every time I'm done, this is what I have to do. Have to unloop it and take it off. So yeah. Otherwise, I'm going to have to find a way, like maybe right under here, we could tether it. It will hold, and I can just put this up here. That way, if it dangles, I mean, it'd have to swing pretty far and hard to get over and hit that. I mean, it probably could. Let's see if we can wrap it around a few times, make it shorter. Because I'm not going to know. I could ride for miles with that thing. I wouldn't want it coming over and hitting the tire and ripping your tether job off anyway. So I think I'll try that. I don't know. What is keeping that from spinning is what I would want to know. I don't know. I don't know. But it's not spinning. Yeah, so you got to make sure all this is tight. Let's go in and get a cord. So as you know, GoPros are funny. The older ones for power source. And this one definitely is. You have to have certain cords. I don't know if this cord will work. We'll check it out. saw a little flash of light. Let's see if she turns on. Of course not. Might be a crap hose. That crap cord. Could be the crap cord. Gotta turn them on. Gotta play with them a little bit, you know? Hey, wake up, man. So if that don't work, you go grab another cord. And you check to make sure if it's cords. How do you like this? I got this all running nice in the background, so we have real domesticated sound for everybody. I know this one normally works. Wrong end in it. Naturally. Steal, beg, borrow. And do everything. I leave all that open so when I go down the road I forget about it and it flies up on me. That's fun. See how that works. Yep, see the light turned on? That's a good cord. If I run cords through here too, it'll help it from anything swinging over there. We'll see. We know this don't work, so nobody needs something that don't work, but it will work for other things. So I keep them around. It keeps me guessing on which cord is which. So I guess I can put this back where I wanted it. I can use this other thing, probably some sort of, that was around there. I might hold it kind of nice too. I do want it out farther, as far as we can get it. Now if it does swing over, it won't swing into the, and keep it away from the heat. Yeah. Okay, how was that? Double check everything, make sure she's tight. Oh yeah. I feel a lot better about that. Let's take a preview. Just like with the GoPro 7 here, we're previewing. One thing that's nice about the GoPro 7 is you can preview all day long and it'll stay on while you're recording. The other gens, you know, they're not as advanced. So if you got a 9, 10, 11, I know all those previews don't work while you're filming. They downgraded. I think it's because of the dash cams. Hey, you turned on for me. That's auto on. That was nice. Let's see what it... Let's see preview right here too. Probably shows toast. Yeah, we want to see toast. We want to see this. We're cool. We're cool. Kind of water seals it when it's out and by itself. No, it don't work good when I'm riding because this is all open. I do that just to keep it cool, and I'm not on a rainy day. If it rains, it's all coming off. You got to buy waterproof cases for them and hope they don't overheat. Well, that's our tethering display for the day. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I know I did. And there we go. It's warm out here, so we're going to knock it down, cut her off, vamoose. I think we're going to go test this ride test this. Test ride. It's R1 and see if it is going to fail on me again and cut off and get sputtery and want to die. It's been having a bad habit. I don't know how to fix it. All we can do is go try it out. Peace.